Today, I'm going to teach you how to create an account with TurboTax. This is your first step to managing your taxes online efficiently, and the setup process is surprisingly straightforward. Let's get started. To begin, open your preferred browser on your device. In the address bar at the top, type in turbotax.intuit.com and hit enter. This will take you directly to the TurboTax homepage where you can access all their tax preparation tools and services. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Sign Up. Click on it to begin the registration process. This is where you'll create your credentials that will give you access to TurboTax's platform. Now you'll be presented with a registration form that requires a few key pieces of information. First, fill in your email address. Make sure you use an email you check regularly, as TurboTax will send important account information and updates to this address. Next, set a strong password for your account. Choose something secure but memorable, as this will protect your sensitive tax information. Finally, add in a phone number where they can contact you or send a one-time password for account protection. This extra layer of security helps keep your account safe from unauthorized access. Once you've filled in all three fields, your email address, password, and phone number, simply click on Create Intuit Account. The system will process your information and set up your account. You might need to wait a moment while the page loads and confirms your registration. And there you have it. You've successfully created your TurboTax account, and you're now ready to start managing your taxes online. With your account set up, you'll be able to file your taxes, track your refund, and access all of TurboTax's helpful features whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.